Quick video, I'll guide you how to get your responses that have been submitted by the students and how to correct it up. So usually there are two ways how to do this task. I'll first of all show you the first way how to do it. For that we need to open up the Google Forms where we have made the paper. So we are just going to open the Google Forms. Then you have to go to Google Forms Personal. Now after that you have to see that on the right hand side top corner it should be the same account from which the form was made or from where the form was released up. In the case I have this account as the one from where I send the responses, so that account should be logged in order to view your files. Now see, as the account is open I can see my paper which was actually released up, so I just open the paper and then we have to go here on the responses. Now you have to scroll to the bottom and even the first question, looking into the first question, you can jump to the file where all the questions will be there. So you have to click on this option where it is written view folder. So you have to click the view folder option, which will pop up the Google Drive on which all these responses have been saved. So this is the drive, and as you can see all the responses are already visible there. Even the name tags are there to easily spot out that which response submitted the response. Now you can even go on My Drive options to see it in a folder from view. Like this is the class 9th half yearly examinations, and I can see all my responses are bifurcated question wise. That means if I am going to click the first responses of all the responses of question number 1 will be visible to me. Similarly, if I click option number 2, that means all the responses of question number 2 will be visible to me. That will make it easier for us to view and edit the documents or doodle the documents. That means to correct it up. Now as I told you, there is a second way as well. So let me tell you the second way. For that you'll have to open up the Google Drive. So let me show it to you. Downloaded our drive, we have to just open our folder or my computer, and we can easily see that the Google Drive is also being shown with the other computer drives. So now we have to just click on this drive and we can see all our files that we were able to see on the browser itself. But you can see that there is a cloud icon on each and every file. I'm just enlarging it up so that you can see it properly. Yeah, so as you can see the cloud icon is there on each and every file. That means this is not directly saved in my computer, but all the files are available on the cloud. So whichever file we need to download, suppose I have to download the whole file, then what am I going to do? Drive, go on my drive, I'll select class 9th half yearly exam, I will right click on it, I will copy it, and I'll go on my desktop and paste it here. Now see, the file has come up on my desktop itself. The folder is empty because the files are being downloaded. Don't get panicked by this thing. The files are being downloaded from the cloud, so it will take some time. And once the file are downloaded, then the task becomes very easier. I'll suggest you to download this software, Sketch. I'll share the link in the video as well. So you'll have to click open that link and download this software, Sketch. Why I'm suggesting you this software? Because it will become easier for you to check the copies, because it is there with the doodling feature and it is a very small file. see, we'll have to take some pains in order to correct the copies on computer, and of course I'll show the tutorial on mobile as well. So that this have downloaded this sketch. Now what we need to do is that I'm again going to open a file. Suppose this is the file that I need to correct. See, the file is already open now. Now what I need to do is that I have to open sketch. This is the sketch icon. Okay. Now my sketch is open. In fact, if we open it earlier, my task will become easier. So now I need to open the file at the back, open sketch and screen snap. Now you have to select the portion that you want to take a snap. See, the copy has already come up here. And now we can do the correction. This is the pen option. We can pick up the pen from here. Also available. Color is also available. Whichever color we want to select, we can select the color. Usually we are going to use red for the correction purpose. And now we can just tick on this answer like this, or if this is wrong, we can just cross it up using our mouse. So this is how we are going to do it. We can even make a signature, but of course it's going to involve a lot of effort, because with mouse it becomes a bit of tough task. So I'll just suggest that we can at least correct, or we can underline the things that are wrong. We can underline like this just to highlight it out that this is a wrong. Well, thank you. Hopefully it might have helped you. If there is any problem you encounter while doing this process, you can connect with me, or you can put it as a comment. I'll help you, or I will suggest you what are the corrections required, how you can tackle up that problem. Thank you very much.